So our next challenge is arithmetic operators. So the query is the first line contains sum of two numbers, the second line contains the difference of two numbers, the third line contains the product of two numbers. So we will have to print these three lines. Okay, let's quickly check the input out format. So input will be 3 2, the format output will be 5 1 6. So this is the explanation. It is which is kind of quite easy. So let's get started. So first of all, we will have to take input with the help of stdin. We do not have to use input, but stdin also uses input inside. So for now, let's use stdin. So first we will have to import it from sys, and then we will have to loop through it to get all the values. So let's do for line in sys.stdin, and we'll be getting two values, right? So let's do one thing. Let's declare a list here. Okay, so I'll be taking these two values in this list only, and append. So line, and with line we will have to do r strip. Why we have to do r strip is this stdin gives like line of input with the help of slash. So for example, if let me tell you, it will give you something like 3/n2. So r strip will remove this one and bring these two only. Okay, so that's why we have added r strip. So at the end, in the list, we will have these two values, let's say 3 and 5. Okay, for example, so we will have these two values. Now since these two values will come into the form of a string, so we will have to convert it into the integer. So let's do this thing, a equals, and let's convert these values to integer. So lst 0, the first a, and b will be integer, and lst 1. So we got these two values. Now let's quickly write the print statements. The first statement was to add the sum of two numbers, so it will be simply a plus b. Next statement is difference of two numbers, so a minus b. And third statement is product of two numbers, so a into b. Let's run the code. So the input output is sample test case 1 is passed. Let's submit the code. So it has run 2 test cases only. Okay, and both are successfully done. So let's go to the next challenge.